Hi and welcome to today's show. First of all, I'd say thanks very much for all the interest. It's been absolutely fantastic. Today we're off to Syria and we're going to be making pita bread. Pita bread has its roots in prehistoric flatbreads of Syria and the Middle East. There is evidence of it being made in the Stone Age, some 14,500 years ago. My opinion is it's become one of the world's most popular breads and is widely used as part of the daily diet in the Middle East and the Mediterranean. We're now looking to give it a really good knead for around about 7 to 8 minutes, so we end up with something that's really smooth and elastic. Give the dough another quick knead and then cut into 6 pieces. Roll and shape into smooth balls. Next we're going to roll out. Again, as I said before, my rolling pin's at work, so I'm using a milk bottle. You need to roll them out until they're about 5mm in thickness. Leave them to rest for 5 or 10 minutes. Then make a few indentations with your fingers and just give them a prod with a fork. Now again, I've got the skillet from my barbecue, as I don't have a pizza stone, so just add a little bit of oil onto it, give it a good brush. Place 2 pitas on the skillet. They're going to take about 4 to 5 minutes to cook. You've got to turn them frequently. They'll pick up a really nice golden brown colour and they're going to puff up. It's amazing and the smell's great. Stack them one on top of the other to keep them nice and warm. Now that's just wonderful. Takes me back to my travels in the Mediterranean. I've served mine with tzatziki, a yoghurt, cucumber and garlic dip. We look forward to seeing you next time with more bread making on Tony's Daily Bread. And thanks for watching our first 7 shows, which we featured 7 breads over 7 days from 7 different countries.